Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove these lower side grills on a Rabbit. Let's get started. So depending on which side you're working on, it's actually a slightly different process. If you're working on the passenger side, all you have to do is remove this screw right here that's in the center of the grill. So I'll quickly remove this here. And once that's out, all you have to do is pull. And these clips come out very easy, so I'm guessing why they actually had to use the screw and didn't make it just clip on, because pretty much all you have to do is pull and this thing will pop right out. To remove the driver's side front grille, it's a little bit more of a process because of the number of clips that they used. So the best way that I found to do this without damaging that little grill is to come under here and actually remove that splash guard. And to do this, there are a series of star head screws, and just go around and remove all of those and drop that splash guard, and that'll give you access from the inside to this grill. So now I'm under the car here, and if you go ahead and look at how that front grill mounts, you can see that there's actually two clips on the outside of the car, and those clips need to be depressed. So what I like to do is take some pry tools. I use nylon knives, but any sort of pry tool will work. And get those in there and just get the clips depressed and make it so that the grill will be able to come out. And then there's one clip that you have to get from the outside once you do that. Here are those two little clips depressed with the nylon knives. And basically all this does is make it so that the clips aren't actually holding the grill on. But at this point you can't pull the grill off, so I just like to leave those tools in there like that. And the final clip to undo is right here, so all you have to do with this one is also use a little pry tool to press that in, and then you'll be able to pop the grill right out. Take your pry tool, get it around that clip. You might have to press it a little bit from the back, and you should be able to just pop the grill right out. That's all it takes to pull these grills. It's actually very simple as long as you know what you're doing. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more.